This is the Rain Cloud Humidifier from Amazon. My daughter was wanting one of those and she got it for Christmas, so I'm just going to unbox it and get it all set up for her. So it's a humidifier, a night light, and I believe you can add essential oils to it for aromatherapy. It comes with a power cord with a USB connector. I'm not sure what this shroud is for. It comes with a wire and a brush and a remote. The remote needs 2 AAA batteries. It does not come with. Apparently this wire is for cleaning the little holes. If they start to get crusty, you can use that to clean them out. And same with the brush, it's just for cleaning it. So I'm just filling it up with water right to the max fill line. Setup is so easy. You basically take it out of the box, plug it in, fill it with water, and turn it on. This is sped up so that you can see all the colors, but it does just cycle through all the colors slowly unless you set it to a certain color with the remote. The colors are really bright. I have lights on in the room, so it might be kind of hard to see, but it's really colorful. The remote has the settings on it for the rain, the mist, and the lights. It's really easy to use. She's definitely going to love this. This is a great gift idea.